Hi, little hiccups. Yeah. It confuses you a little bit when you get the hiccups, doesn't it? I can't tell if you like it or don't like it. Oh, Petey. It's okay. You won't have the hiccups forever.